Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with a changed demon champion from onepagerules this week. This is a test scheme for a future skirmish army that I'm going to put together. They are black and white zenithal primed, and I get started with night blue for all of the skin and the feathers. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I darken down these shadows with a blue tone wash over everything. While waiting for the wash to dry, I get started on the purple fabric with a base coat of Hexed Lichen. To start highlighting up the blue, I went for Ultramarine blue from Army Painter. This is going over all of the raised parts and the back 2/3 of all the feathers. Darkening down the purple, I washed the entire thing with purple tone wash. Finishing off the skin, I had a final highlight with magic blue. All of the armor panels and the staff gets a once over with greedy gold. I did forget how bad this covers though, and it does take a few coats to get up to opacity. For the beak and the claws, I base coated them with reddish grey. Bringing out some of the raised areas of the purple, I came back in with Hexed Lichen. Now to start a scratchy highlight on the cloak using Sorcerer's Cloak. To highlight up the beak and the claws, I used warm grey just to bring up those edges. Finishing off the cloak, I had a final sketchy highlight using Runic purple. I'm going for a desert base on this scheme, and I'm going to go with sunny skin tone as the base color. I wanted to break up some of the gold on the staff, and I haven't used royal purple for a while, so I grabbed that and went over all of the rings and the gems, as well as some of the edges for the armor. To really bring out that shine on the gold, I use shining silver to highlight up some of the edges. Now to blend all of those metallics together with an all-over wash of Archaic Sepia wash. Just to finish the base off, I paint on some sandy desert texture paste. And that will be it for the Change Demon Champion. Actually pretty simple scheme and quite easy to replicate. If I'm going to make this a full army though at some point, I'm probably going to swap out the greedy gold for a easier cover in gold. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.